Elastic collision. Consider a head-on collision of two identical balls of mass 0,2 kilograms on a pool table. The balls approach each other with a velocity of 2 meters per second in opposite directions. We choose the direction to the bottom right as positive. Total initial momentum of the system before collision, vector pi, equals vector pi1 plus vector pi2 equals 0 kilogram meters per second. Total initial kinetic energy of the system before collision, KEI, equals KEI1 plus KEI2 equals 0,8 joule. After the collision, the balls move in opposite directions. Hence, the final momentum of the system after collision, vector PF equals vector PF1 plus vector PF2 equals 0 kilogram meters per second. Total kinetic energy of the system after collision, KEF equals KEF1 plus KEF2 equals 0,8 joule. Therefore, vector PI equals vector PF and KEI equals KEF. Hence, we can conclude from the above calculations that momentum and the kinetic energy of the system are both conserved in an elastic collision. Some other examples of elastic collisions are: a moving ball hits the stationary ball. The first ball comes to a rest and the second ball starts moving with the same velocity as the first ball. The masses of both balls are the same. A ball moving with velocity v hits a ball moving with a velocity v over 2. The first ball now moves with velocity v over 2 and the second ball with velocity v. The mass of both balls are the same.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maski.